So we just arrived at the Bruno Mars concert. Hang on, babe. So we're at the Bruny Island ferry in Kettering.
Yeah, we're going to Bruny Island.
Bruny Island. So we've just this morning booked 5 days there.
Yep, so we, it was pretty last minute.
Yep.
We were already thinking about it anyway, we just weren't sure like what day. And there's a couple of campsites over there. We just got really lucky with one of the better rated ones on Wiki Camps.
Yeah, so hopefully we get there with some, well, it's only midday now. I don't know how long a wait we've got ahead of us, but yeah, we should be right. It should be good to get out and explore.
Yeah, so the deal with the ferry is what did it cost us?
$102 with so we got a 13-foot van on the back, obviously, including, so that's, $102 return.
Yeah, $102.
$102 return. Ninja's just screaming herself, don't mind. If you listen to it long enough, it drives you insane.
$102 return. They run really regularly because the trip's only like 20 minutes or so.
Yeah.
So you pretty much, you can't book, so you just turn up. That's why there's all these cars backed up here. I won't drain the car battery this time.
Yeah, so last time we did a small trip like this, Amanda needed to do some quick work, and so we charged her laptop at the same time, which then we ended up with a flat battery.
Yeah. That was, we were going to Stratty.
Yeah, going to Stratty. So yeah, we're pretty keen to go to Bruny Island. I think I'm the one that's probably more keen because I'm keen to check out like there's I think it's called Pentecot tours, and there's a whiskey tour or whiskey tastings. There's cheese. It's like a more compact Tassie. That has everything on offer: cheese, wine, the whole lot.
Oysters,
berries.
It's a good way of putting it. Yeah, it's like little Tasmania.
Yeah, so it's super keen to try get the most of it when they're 5 days, and yeah, should be a good time.
Yeah. How long do you think we were just waiting?
20 minutes, if that. Like honestly, we're on pretty quick.
The second ferry. So from the point of arrival to paying, we waited. There was a ferry ahead of us, and then we got on the next one, which was only 20 or so minutes. So. instead of yelling at each other, we use this radio. Thanks to my brother, Greg, hooked us up with the goods.
Oh, that's cool.
Do you want to get out?
Yeah. Everyone's facing this way. So we're just at the cheese bakery, Bruny Island Cheese Co. Because I actually just want to try some local beers here.
Yeah, it's Bruny Island Cheese and Bruny Island Beer Co. And yeah, because things are going to shut probably in about an hour here. So it's about 4 o'clock. Most things tend to shut at 5 from what I've seen online. So I'll grab some stuff. And surprise, surprise, we're going to grab some oysters next.
So I got 4 I'm going to test out tonight. Well, not all of them. We'll see how we go. And we got a dozen oysters at a drive-through oyster shack.
Yeah, it's
You can drive through. It's awesome.
Yeah, the oyster place is called Get Shucked, and they do so you can park up there and like dine in, or yeah, they have a little drive-through, which I thought was really cool. So just pulled up at the window and got a dozen shucked oysters.
I got a cloudy IPA, and they also tell you what they recommend to match it with if you're eating at their cheese co as well. I got a whey stout, and I got 2 of these bad boys because they're the big sellers. Honey pale ale.
Oh, that looks good.
So I'll let you know how we go.
What are you going to start with?
Honey pale ale.
Yeah. The cheese I got is called 1792, so it's a soft cheese. It's been matured in Huon pine boards, which is cool. So like a French style cheese. And I just picked up a roast tomato kusundi, as old mate here loves a bit of tomato anything. So he goes, I can eat that with my corn chips. I was like, not at $12.90 a jar, you can't.
I'm going to taste it with some Doritos.
Anyway, so here we are at it's called Bruny Island Landscape Supplies. So it's just, a couple that usually reside in that house up there. They only bring in 5 vans at any one time for people to park up. It's powered and watered. They are on tank water though, so just got to be mindful of that. Just enjoying little horses over there. Might go and say hello and give them a pat later.
I'll see how Ninja goes.
Oh yeah. She's busy being a horse herself.
She's eating some wallaby poo.
Yeah. Ninja, what are you doing? We're going to get stuck into these oysters.
And beer.
Oh, and a beer. And I got a Riesling. The one that we tried when we did the oyster farm tour, which we don't have the footage of because of the hard drive issue. Sore topic, not talking about it.
Hey.
Hi.
So we made it back safely. We did the
A bit windblown.
Pentecote tour. It was absolutely awesome.
Yeah, Pentecote Wilderness tour from Bruny Island.
Yeah.
So it was about a 20-25 minute drive this morning from where we're staying. So nice and easy.
Yep.
There's a restaurant here as well if you that way inclined. we're just going to head back because Ginger's been having her morning nap while we've been out. So
Yeah, we took her out this morning.
Yeah, Nick took her out for a beach walk and tied her out.
Yep. And you can also, just for note, you can this cruise you can catch from Hobart. So they do buses over to Bruny Island. It's all included, and you go on the cruise for 3 hours and come back. And yeah, we saw seals, and it's just nice, great day out on the water. It was awesome, and the cliff faces, the caves,
just phenomenal. Like
Yeah.
you know, and I'm sure the footage doesn't do it the justice, but hopefully you get a good idea from some of the bits that we managed to grab.
Yep.
And fortunately it was kind of overcast, so
Yep.
when I forgot my sunglasses this morning, it's a good thing I didn't have to wear these bad boys.
I
pew,
keep
pew.
the good ones.
Pew, 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 pew. Anyway, pop those back in
The
Nick's
backup,
personal.
the backup sunnies. Hey, you would have thanked me if you needed it.
I would have.
You would
Do you know,
have.
there were a couple of times that it started to clear up. I was like, no.
I was hoping for him so much. So definitely check it out. It's definitely worth doing. There's also a cruise out at Port Arthur and Bruny. Yeah, so Bruny Island and Port Arthur, both cruises. We're obviously just doing the one, and I think one's enough, and it's all
I
unreal.
think Bruny is definitely the choice though.
Yeah,
Like,
clarity of water too is just unreal here. It's like 10 meters. You can just see the bottom, and you know, some of those areas. Anyway,
it's just incredible.
need to do a dive.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
If you do get a bit seasick like me, they do hand out the Blackmore's ginger tablets, the good ones, which are all ginger root, which help a bit. But yeah, just be warned. And then it does get a bit bumpy, so they'll tell you anyway.
If you get seasick, I'd probably suggest you sit towards the console of the boat, at the back.
And they're really
definitely
good.
don't go near the front.
Yeah,
But,
had a couple of people that got up and moved from
they
the front
move real quick.
because they didn't expect it to be so choppy. But I suppose that happens when A, you're out in the sea, and B, you're at the front of a boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Good day.
So I'm in the driver's seat. Nick's had a few fizzies down at Hotel Bruny.
First time I get to enjoy the ride.
Oh, don't speak too soon.
If you don't see any videos after this, you know we didn't make it. I love you all.
Have a bit more faith.
So yeah.